So friend, following a myriad of leaks and prototype showcase, Samsung officially announced its first TriFold smartphone. The Galaxy Z TriFold is the epitome of Samsung expertise in foldables, which now spans over 16 devices, and it brings the largest screen of any Galaxy foldable alongside some clever software tricks and flagship specs. The key developments on the Z TriFolds are its dual titanium hinges, which allow the main folding screen to be completely protected when not in use. Unlike Huawei's Mate XT and Mate XT's, Z TriFold cover screen is on the back, while the two sides of the folding screen can fold into the center. And speaking of the folding screen, it measures a whopping 10 inches diagonally when fully unfolded, and a 1 to 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and a 1600 nits peak brightness. There is a small punch hole cut out on the right side for the 10 megapixel selfie camera, and it gets a pre-installed protective film just like on the rest of the G series foldables. The 6.5-inch cover screen features 1 to 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and a 21:9 aspect ratio. It can output up to 2600 nits peak brightness, featuring Corning Gorilla Glass ceramic 2 protection, and also incorporates a 10 megapixel selfie camera. The softer side is covered by One UI 8 based on Android 16, and the large canvas allows for some clever multitasking options. You can run 3 full-sized apps in portrait mode side by side. Galaxy Z TriFold is the first Samsung phone to have a standalone Samsung DeX, which brings a desktop-like interface from the quick settings panel. Combined with a mouse and keyboard, the Z TriFold can serve as a portable workstation. And Z TriFold is impressively sleek thanks to its advanced armor aluminum frame, and it measures just 3.9mm as its thinnest point. It weighs 309 grams, and Z TriFold brings IP48 increased protection against dust and water. The TriFold brings Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, just like on the Z Fold 7, which is now a generation behind the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Generation 5 chip that's paired with 16GB RAM and either 512GB or 1TB storage. The back inherits the G Fold 7 triple camera setup consisting of a 200 megapixel main shooter, ISO HP2, a 10 megapixel 3x telephoto sensor, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens. Samsung also fitted a 5600 mAh 3-cell battery split between each of the 3 back panels of the device. It gets 45W wired and a 15W wireless charging. Samsung Z TriFold will be available in a single crafted black color and will retail for $2,450. Buyers in the South Korea will be first in the line for the device, as it's set to be available from Friday, December 12. Samsung did confirm that it will expand availability to China, Taiwan, Singapore, the UAE and the US in the future. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.